ECOVACS Commercial Robotics originated from ECOVACS Robotics, built in 1998, a global pioneer in service robots, serving 28 million homes across 170 countries. Established in 2013 as the dedicated commercial arm of ECOVACS, we're redefining public space hygiene with autonomy. Let's meet our commercial cleaning solutions: Commercial Floor Scrubber DEEBOT Pro M1 and Commercial Robot Vacuum DEEBOT Pro K1 VAC. Backed by over 20 patents, honored with the 2023 IF Design Award, and supported by global certifications such as ISO 9001, CB, C, RED, etc. Our products stand out in the market. With our leading industry status and technical capabilities, we're participating in formulating China's national standards for commercial cleaning robots. In different scenarios, our technology can achieve a coverage rate of over 98% without the need for supervision, while tripling the cleaning frequency. Join our global network to build cleaner, smarter spaces together.